To automatically disconnect auto hotspot connection on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra when not in use, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap intelligent Wi-Fi, tap auto hotspot connection. Now tap the gray on off switch next to disconnect when not in use until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will save more battery by disconnecting from your auto hotspot whenever your phone screen is turned off and there's no data being transferred. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.